In this video, you will learn how to copy objects in models and drawings by using the clipboard, enabling you to easily reuse designs from previous projects. After copying, you can paste the model or drawing objects into the current model, another model, or different drawings. Note that before copying objects to another model, the objects must be saved in the source model first. Let's start by copying objects from one model to another. Select the objects that you want to copy from a previous project. On the Edit tab, click Copy. Pick the origin point for copying. The objects are now copied to the clipboard. Switch to your destination model. Click Paste and pick your destination point. For quick copying and pasting, you can use the keyboard shortcuts Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V. When the Copy Continuously checkbox is selected, the selected objects are copied to the clipboard, and the copy command remains active. Select the objects, right-click and click Copy. Pick the origin point for copying, then click each destination point. Press the Escape key to end the command. The source objects remain on the clipboard. Repeat the paste command as many times as needed. Some connections may not be copied if the parts don't exactly match. To copy such connections, select the objects, right-click and click Copy Special to another plane. Pick the point of origin for the source plane, followed by a point in the positive X direction and a point in the positive Y direction. Switch to another model. Click Paste. Pick the origin for the destination plane. You can also use the clipboard to copy custom components without having to export them. Right-click and click Copy Special to another object. Select the source object. Switch to your current model and click Paste. Now select the destination object for pasting. The component is now added to your current model. You can also copy certain objects in drawings, such as 2D and text objects, using the clipboard. Select the object in the drawing. On the Drawing tab, click Copy. Pick the origin for the copying. Pick the destination point. Open any drawing from the current model or a different one. Click Paste. The object is pasted from the clipboard to the drawing.